Buddha, there is a fork ahead. One is straight, but there's many lines on the road. The other one is more curved, but is safer. May I ask Buddha, which way should we go? Buddha doesn't fear anything. We'll go straight. Wow, it's Buddha. Buddha, there are many ferocious animals on this road, but we can be your guard to protect you. How will you protect me? If ferocious animals come, I'll shake the drum, scare them. If they come, I'll shoot them with bow and arrow. No need to protect me. You have filled the supply and food. May you go back. Buddha, what's the reason make you shine and smiled? The two naive and lively children just now, like me with pure heart. In 13 couples they will be reborn into heaven. Enjoy happiness. Later on will be reborn as human. Become monks. Practice 37 ways at a silent place by themselves. Certified as Pratyeka Buddha. One of them named No Fear Pratyeka Buddha. The other one is Sound of Drum Pratyeka Buddha. Therefore I shined and smiled.